Atugitambire ni ati mubunge wa Igembe North Julius Taitumu na ithulete ati Meru netia nyuma kewi ciandikithia bwasha arawite namba 30 ki kaunti 47 no retia kariba Meru kwithira bakireka kuthikira baraba kumeneria mubango yoyo asha akiwa hiyo tethakia muno kaita karamuntu ainoba tu Nicholas Jabari gatumenyethia cio na njire kinyanirite.
Mubunge wa Igembe North Julius Taitumu na kuria antu ibathi nambe na kwibandikithia akiri mubango gwa ugima wa mwiri gwa SHA nuntu no agomba kubatethia igita arira abaye na ndwari akiuga kaunti ya Meru itikurutha abwega mantu ni meya kwibandikithia nuntu Kenya ngima iri namba 30 kuma kiri kaunti 47.
People to join SHA. Don't complain, SHA is assisting. Kana budione tetedia inasaidia kido trona thina. Thank God, those who have gotten into problems, they have been assisted. Na kijawa itoria na NHIF waliogora nini other Kenyans will be consuming money appropriated for what? For SHA. As a county we are number 30 out of 47. We are not doing well. As a community, we should join SHA.
Arioria anto ibatie kuthikiria amanto maranto obaingi bakuga makomeneria SHA nonto ariuga abaingi bao baba komeneria iboba kuthina mbere kurutha ungumania manto ni megia SHA ino kenda bameneria amwingi baria kuthina mbere na kwibandikithia.
When Ndwale talked about it, mandaitari yaita yakeranto yueni bugu mwege SHA na butema misi bita. You may hear people talking about corruption. You think they are angels. I'm telling you what you must be careful of. You think they are angels. Maybe because got an opportunity to go. I'm not saying you are corrupt. You are very good people. Lakini go that's why I was telling you must be careful in everything.
Waguna wetete kinya mantu megie kithomo na kiuga no akikiomba kinya kia utetheria amuntu igita arira ari na ukuru obwake rirathomithitie ana akaithiro ari na kinya gikinga akingi nontu ana abake ibathomo na no bamutethie.
Talk to our young people and even if they drop, encourage them to come back and continue with their what? Their education. Because waura nende ukabongeleka na bwe muchia ndeka kwenga mwana omwera bwa kuthira ariku kuthira ni awe
kuma mutwate Igembe North Nicholas Jabari.